Check out Video GPT for all your video needs. Welcome to the haunted house Hiccups. Ever wondered what really happens in a haunted house? Let's dive into the spine-chilling stories. Our brave group of friends decided to spend a night in this infamous haunted house. Will they survive the ghostly encounters? The house is filled with unsettling portraits, but it's not just the pictures that seem alive. What secrets are these spirits hiding? Unexpected noises fill the air. Doors slamming, lights flickering. What could possibly be causing these haunted hiccups? As the night wears on, the friends encounter a mysterious figure. Is it a ghost or just a trick of the light? Don't miss out on creating amazing videos. Download Video GPT for free on the App Store and Google Play right now.